Welcome back. In this unit, you will learn some of the common terms and expressions used to describe and talk about food and beverages in Bidayuh. CD, nyebenis, peit, masem, pide, semerah, kubuh, peras, medut, bangeh. Now, match the terms with the correct English equivalent. Done? Let's check your answers. CD means delicious, nyebenis means sweet, peit means bitter, masam means sour, and pide means salty. Let's try another set. Done? Let's see. Semerah is spicy, kuboh is bland, peras is hot, medut is cold, and bangeh is tepid. Here are some expressions used to describe food and beverages. This fruit juice is sweet. Pin buah ti nyebenis. Repeat after me. This curry is spicy. Kari ti semerah. This coffee is bitter. Kopi ti pait. This fermented fish is salty. Tebah kian ti pide. Now you try it by combining the words and phrases below. Use the arrow as your guide. Good job! Now it's time for some exercises. Have fun!